This is question 30 of Civil Engineering paper GATE 2017 forenoon session. Group 1 contains 3 broad classes of irrigation supply canal outlet. Group 2 presents hydraulic performance attributes. Group 1 P non-modular outlet, Q semi-modular outlet, R modular outlet. Group 2 1 outlet discharge depends on the water level in both the supply canal as well as the receiving water course. 2 outlet discharge is fixed and is independent of the water levels in both the supply canal as well as the receiving water course. 3 outlet discharge depends only on the water level in the supply canal. The correct match of the items in group 1 with the items in group 2 is. So in this question, 2 groups are given. In group 1, name of the canal outlets are given, and in group 2, the hydraulic performance attributes are given. We need to do the correct match between group 1 and group 2. So this question is from the topic of canal outlet. You may study about canal outlet in detail by watching in the lecture 24, distribution and measurement structure for canal flows, water resource engineering by Dr. Dhruvya Jyoti Sen, IIT Kharagpur. So canal outlet is a very important structure in the irrigation system. It is a link between the supply channels and the water course or the cultivator owned field. So depending upon the various factors, these outlets are classified or categorized in 3 types: non-modular outlets, semi-modular outlets and module outlets. And all these outlets are generally classified on the basis of discharge through these outlets. So if the discharge through outlet depends on the water level of distributing channel and water course both, then that is termed as non-modular outlets. In semi-modular outlets, the discharge through the outlet depend on the water level of the distributing channel only. And in modular outlets, the discharge is independent of the water level in the distributing channel and the water course. Now coming to this question in group 1, non-modular outlet. So we know in non-modular outlet, the discharge through outlet depends on the both supply canal as well as the receiving water course. So we can say for P1 is the correct match. Semi-modular outlet. So for semi-modular outlet, the discharge through outlet depends on the water level of supply canal only. So in group 2, it is given in 3. Outlet discharge depends only on the water level in the supply canal. Only on the water level in the supply canal. So for Q, 3 is the correct match. Are modular outlet. So modular outlet discharge is fixed and is independent of the water level in both the supply canal as well as receiving water course. So for R2 is the correct match. Now if we check the option, so for P1 is the correct match, so which is given in option A and D only. So B and C become incorrect. For Q, correct match is 3, so Q3 is given in option D only, so option A becomes incorrect. For R, correct match is 2, so for R2 is given in option D. So all the matches are given correctly in option D only. So option D will be the correct answer for this question. Thank you.